In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and play Spy the game for a company on your phone. So Spy is an interesting and deduction game for a company of 3 or more people. Players need to ask each other leading questions and make every effort to find the spy based on inaccuracies in the answers. So in order to download this game, first of all what you want to do is you're going to go ahead and open Play Store on your phone. Then you're going to tap on the search box at the very top of your screen, and in here you're going to type in for Spy the game for company. After that, you should be able to see here your game Spy the game for a company. So you're going to tap on that and then just tap on install. Once your game has been installed, you're just going to tap on play. In here, just tap on new game, and after that, you're going to select your players. The minimum number of players you're going to select is 3, but you can go with more. I'm going to create 3 players here, which are A, B, and C. After that, you have the option to select the number of spies and then to set the timer. And once you have done that all, you can just tap on start. So this is the card of first player, which is A. You can just type in here, and as you can see here, player A is a spy. So we're going to swipe the card and then give the phone to the next person. As you can see here, the next person is a lawyer at police station. And the third person is an archivist at police station. After that, the timer has started. A player is going to ask the question first. And as we know that the A player is a spy, he's going to try finding the location, and the location is police station. For example, all players ask each other the questions, and in the end they find out A is the spy. So they're going to select A, and then they're going to tap on spy. Then the game is going to give an option to the spy to see if he knows the location. And if the spy knows the exact location, which is police station, this means the spy wins the game. So this is how you can actually download and play this game.